Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is "Wife Attempt to Hide Fugitive Husband Collapses as Police Close In." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Oh my God, do I really know?
Yeah,
Please no.
Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not doing anything. I wasn't expecting to get arrested.
Well,
I'm gonna pee on myself.
Come on.
Please, let me go body. I gotta pee.
On July 12, 2023, officers responded to a residence following a death investigation nearby, where it was determined that a man had an active warrant for grand theft auto. As deputies placed him in custody, his wife approached, insisting that the warrant had been resolved. However, further investigation revealed that the woman also had an active warrant for the same offense.
I didn't say it.
Lori?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you have the same warrant.
Oh my God, do I really know?
Yeah,
Please no.
Don't.
Wait,
No.
God
No.
dang it.
Stop.
Wait, I gotta go tell somebody.
Stop.
Come on. I did court.
Stop.
Wait,
Stop.
oh my God.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't run. I'll tase
Please
you.
don't stop.
Stop.
I just want to get her attention real quick so I
Stop.
give her my money and shit.
Stop.
Melissa!
Put your hands behind your
Oh
back.
my God, please wait. I got to
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. I got stuff in my... Lisa!
Stop. Stop.
I mean...
Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything. Help me.
Stop.
Come get my stuff.
Stop.
Oh God. Apparently I'm arrested too for this. They're the same thing.
Stop.
Yeah, my paper.
Stop. Stop reaching for stuff.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Stop.
Sorry, I just want to give her my money and stuff.
Can we get her money, please?
I'll take
Clean
care
out
of it.
my pockets.
I'm just asking.
Come on.
Stop. Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not doing anything.
Put me on
I
the
just wanna give her-
49 with 37.6 and confirm
I
her
just want
warrant.
to...
Stop.
You're arrested.
Stop.
You don't even confirmed it yet.
Yeah, she's just loud.
Wait.
Stop. Stop. If you got dope in your pocket, we'll worry about it later. So stop.
Really? I said my money and my stuff. And
Lori,
please.
L-A-U-R-I or something like that.
Please.
Stop. Come on, let's go over here.
Can I give her my money and
You
stuff
don't
for
want
her
to
to
bond
come?
out?
Yes, I do want to bond out.
Well, then take it with you. Come on, let's
No,
go over here in my car.
no. It's not enough to bond out.
Stop, if you quit pulling from me, let's go.
My phone.
I've got it in my hand.
This is bullshit. Oh my God! Can I go tell my sister?
No. You want to pull away from me and act like a f***ing child.
I'm sorry, but I wasn't expecting to get arrested.
Well, no one
Oh
expects
my
to have
God!
warrants.
Can I make a phone call?
No.
Oh my God! I'm sorry. Oh my God! Please.
Stop. Stop
I
wigging
gotta
out.
pee. I gotta.
Well, that's not my fault. Stop
I
pulling
gotta
from
pee.
me.
I'm gonna pee on myself.
Come over here to the
I
front of my
gotta
car.
pee. I got to pee.
Stop.
I got to pee.
Stop.
Please let me go by.
No, we're not.
Oh my God.
Stop trying to slip the handcuff.
See, it's good for him to be in front of the vehicle because they have the dash cam. Since he's dealing with a female, you know what I mean? You definitely, if he's gonna pat her down or anything, he probably wants to get it picked up on the dash cam, to show that, he ain't doing nothing crazy. But she's annoying. Her voice is just, oh my goodness. Like, why do you need to make a call? Your peoples is right there. They see what's going on. You don't need an extra call. You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. Then you pulling away, you resisting. Come on, bro.
Damn it, stop.
Nothing. You're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you. You're trying to get...
He about to lose his patience. He definitely about to lose his patience. So she better tighten up, man. She better tighten up. Because if she don't want to act correctly, hey, he gonna get her to act right. I'm telling you.
Out of the handcuffs. Stop. Whatever's in your pocket, I'll deal with it. All right? Stop.
Oh my God. I got to pee.
Well,
I got to pee. I got to pee on myself. Oh my God. Please let me go potty.
you got any needles on you?
No, I don't. handcuffs on me.
Well, because you really want whatever's in your pocket.
I don't.
Stop.
Oh my God, I got
Walk
to
with
pee.
me.
I got to pee. I'm about to pee
Well,
on
I'm
myself.
sorry. You're in handcuffs. You're not coming out of them.
Oh my God.
Wait here.
I gotta pee. Come on, please let me pee.
No, we're not peeing.
I gotta pee.
You are not coming out of the handcuffs.
I don't want to get out of the cab because I just want to pee.
Well, I'm not. I don't. Where do you want me to take you to pee?
I don't care. I just want to
Well,
pee.
it doesn't work that way.
Oh, come on. I gotta pee. I'm about to pee on myself. Oh,
Stop.
please.
Stand here. Stop.
Please. I'm about to pee on myself.
Stop.
Oh my God, this is ridiculous.
Well, I'm not the one that has a warrant.
I didn't either. All
Yeah,
my
you
stuff is
do.
taken care of.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I know 4-year-olds that act better than this. This is ridiculous. She should be ashamed of herself, man. It is what it is. When you caught, you caught. Stop whining and complaining. It is what it is. You ain't have to pee beforehand. You was walking up to the cop, gonna talk to him all nice and sweet. Now all of a sudden you in handcuffs. Now all of a sudden you gotta pee. Come on, man.
Yes, it is. Oh my God. Please, let me go pee.
No.
I'm about to pee on myself.
Stop.
It's drizzling down my leg. Come
Stop.
on. I got to pee.
Stop.
Please let me go potty. Oh my God.
It's drizzling down her leg. Oh my God. What? Yo. I'm actually watching this video. I'm like, this is gonna be a boring one, man. But she said the crazy it's drizzling. Oh, no way.
Yeah, you
Something's
do.
taken care of.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Get her a diaper.
Yes, it is. Oh my God. Please, let me go pee.
No.
I'm about to pee on myself.
Stop.
It's drizzling down my leg. Come
Stop.
on. I got to pee.
Stop.
Please let me go potty. Oh my God. Please let me go potty. Please.
Where's the home health aid worker when you need him?
Please.
What else you have?
That's it.
No, that's not it. That's not it. Come on.
Please let me
Come
go potty. I got to pee.
Oh, come on.
I got to pee.
No.
This is ridiculous.
You think this is my first rodeo?
I got to pee.
Well, you're not.
Can I use the get
Stop!
house? I need
Stop
to pee.
moving!
I've got to pee. I'm
Stand
about to
here
piss on
and
myself.
stop! Stop!
I'm about to piss on myself.
That's why you wanted to give her your money.
No, it wasn't. I really got to pee.
Well, you're not going to pee right here. Pee whenever we get to
Well,
the
I
jail.
can't. I'm gonna pee on you. I'm gonna pee.
You got anything in your bra?
No.
She's fine. She's just acting like a child.
Dee.
She has a warrant out of New Mexico. Yes. Another one, and she has meth in her pocket. Yep.
Dee. God damn
She
it.
has meth in her pocket. So, you got anything on you?
No, I done told you that 3 times already.
Well, look what I found. That's why you wanted them to get your money.
I have to pee.
Well, you're not coming out of handcuffs.
I don't
okay?
want to come out of handcuffs. I just want to go potty.
We're an adult. We can hold it
No,
until we get
Oh,
to the
potty?
jail. Okay?
Oh,
If you guys,
you want to go potty?
I'm sorry.
Please.
She's not coming out of handcuffs. If you guys don't mind, you can go way up there.
Oh my God, what am I supposed to do?
Stop.
My dog.
You
Stephen
got
Cole,
anything hiding in your bra?
No.
Okay.
God damn. You don't listen. I'm about to piss on myself.
Okay, come on. You're going to the car. Ma'am, do you mind go wait up there for me?
Oh, did you see bro have to pick up the gun? Oh, this is foul. I don't know why he got her so close to the evidence anyway. It's good that he said, yo, ma'am, can you go back to the back of the car or something? Because, yeah, why is she rolling up? Who is this lady? Like, who is this? Get her. She could get going, man.
Huh?
I'm already.
Okay. If you guys, I'm sorry.
Please.
She's not coming out of handcuffs. If you guys don't mind, you can go wait up there.
Oh my God, what am I supposed to do?
Stop.
My dog.
You
Stephen
got,
Cole,
you got
why?
anything hiding in your bra?
No.
Okay.
God damn. You don't listen. I'm about to piss on myself.
Okay, come on. You're going to the car. Ma'am, do you mind go wait up there for me? Huh?
Just my glasses.
Okay. All right, have a seat, please.
Where's my phone?
It's up there. I'll get it.
Fuck. Oh my god! This is bullshit! Oh my god, this is bullshit! This is bullshit!
She had 31 on her.
Please,
So I have local.
please. Please!
Man, she had that 31 on her, huh?
These handcuffs are really hard.
No, they're not. They're on the right way.
God dang it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm fucking shoot!
Get the test kit.
Oh my god!
Let's test it. See what it is.
God!
Stop screaming, please.
I don't want to go back to jail!
Well, you're going.
I know, you're such you.
Stop kicking my car.
I wasn't kicking, I was patting my foot. Please let me go pee.
No, you're not coming out of there.
Please.
You're in the car. We're done.
Oh my god, I gotta pee.
Ma'am,
I got
you got your money and both of the phones here. Your 20 blew under the car, but I got it.
The woman was charged with possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting without violence.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.